Triggerfish. The name itself sounds interesting. These are fascinating fish of the sea. They belong to the family Ballistidae. Triggerfish have a tough, leathery skin. This skin feels almost like sandpaper. It protects them from predators. They have very powerful jaws. These jaws are built for crushing. Their mouth, however, is quite small. It is equipped with strong teeth. These teeth can bite through hard shells. Triggerfish live in warmer waters. You will find them across the globe. They prefer tropical and subtropical seas. These fish are creatures of the sunlit zones. Coral reefs are a favorite spot. They offer food and protection. Rocky outcrops are also popular. Wrecks on the seabed attract them too. They often look for holes and crevices. These places provide shelter. Some species also like sandy or rubble bottoms, especially if these are near reefs. They are not usually found in open water. Triggerfish are not picky eaters. They eat a variety of small creatures. Crabs are a common food item. Sea urchins are also on the menu. They use their strong jaws to crush shells. Sometimes they blow jets of water. This uncovers prey hidden in the sand. Choosing the right gear is important. You need tackle that can handle them. A medium-action fishing rod often works well. It should have a sensitive tip. This helps detect their subtle bites. But the rod also needs a strong backbone. This is for pulling them from structure. A spinning reel or a bait casting reel can be used. Make sure it has a smooth drag system. These fish can make sudden runs. Line and leader choice matters greatly. Braided line is a good option for the main line. It has little stretch. This means better bite detection. It also has good strength for its diameter. You will need a fluorocarbon leader. Triggerfish have sharp teeth. They also live near rough structures. The leader needs to be abrasion resistant. A leader of about 20 to 40 pound test is common. This depends on the triggerfish size. Triggerfish have small bony mouths, so you need small, very sharp hooks. Sizes from 1-0 down to number 4 can work. The hooks must be strong. They can bend or break weaker hooks. A Carolina rig is a popular choice. Bottom fishing is the main technique. This is where triggerfish usually feed. You need to get your bait down to their level. Cast your line near reefs or wrecks. Let your sinker take the bait to the seabed. Keep a little tension on your line. This helps you feel the bite. Patience is crucial here. They might inspect the bait first. They are cautious creatures. Feeling the triggerfish bite is an art. They are notorious bait stealers. Often it is just a small tap or a nibble. It might not be a big aggressive pull. You need to be alert. When you feel that subtle bite, set the hook. A quick, firm hook set is needed. If you wait too long, they will be gone, and your bait will be gone with them. It takes practice to get the timing right. Chumming can sometimes help. This involves scattering small pieces of bait. It can draw triggerfish into your area. It might make them more active. However, use chum sparingly. Fishing regulations are very important. They exist for a good reason. They help protect fish populations. This ensures there are fish for the future. Triggerfish rules can vary a lot. It depends on where you are fishing. Each country or region has its own laws. It is your job to know them. Ignorance is not an excuse. Always check before you fish. Let's look at Florida, in the United States. Florida has specific rules for gray triggerfish. There are minimum size limits. For example, it might be 12 inches to the fork of the tail. There are also bag limits. This means you can only keep a certain number per day. Fishing seasons can also apply. These seasons might be different. It depends if you are in Gulf waters or Atlantic waters. These rules can change. The European Union has its own set of rules. These cover various fish, including triggerfish found there. Minimum landing sizes are common. Following fishing rules is vital. It is about more than just avoiding a fine. It is about the health of our oceans. It ensures sustainable fish populations. Triggerfish, like many species, face pressures. By obeying regulations, we help. We give these fish a chance to thrive. We ensure they are there for future generations. Some areas have special protections. Always check for special park rules.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.